Alright, so I'm going to test a couple of new props here on the Mega B, or for your Cinewhoops. This is the Gemfan 3-bladed 75mm ducted prop, new prop here, and then we got the HQ prop Cinewhoop 75mm, and it looks like this. So I'll do a flight on the Gemfan first, and then one on the HQ. We'll hear what it sounds like. I think that the noise level of this is kind of a concern for some people. And see what kind of flight times we get. I'm going to be running the same 850 milliamp hour 4S. It's loud. Yeah, this thing's really loud. You're going to be attracting a lot of attention. I think it's just as loud as the prop it was on before, the bullnose prop, if not even more. But maybe this one will be more efficient. Hard to say. There's a lot of people at the park today, so can't go too far. And I am running a new firmware on this from before, updated to a Betaflight 4.1. Also running the RPM filter, all defaults, no tuning at all. Seems to be pretty good. I don't hear any weird oscillation sounds. Video seems smooth. There's a little bit of wind right now. You can hear the wind pushing on the ducks. So I'll let it go to about 14 volts. And I think I am getting a little bit more flight time on this prop versus the bull-nosed. Already 2 minutes 30 at 14.5 volts. We're getting some washout there. I'm going to run 3 minutes here at 14 point, it's like about 14.3 volts. And I'll run 3 minutes on the other prop. Alright, so the HQ doesn't seem like it's that much quieter. Pretty noisy still. Maybe a little bit quieter, but it's still pretty noisy. Yeah, that noise is something. So if you're flying these indoors, it's going to be even noisier, and you may not want to fly this around people that don't like that sound. feel like the control is about the same between the two props. I mean, these aren't going to be for racing, so it's more about the slow, steady movements. They feel about the same. I'm running just default PIDs, by the way, so. And I don't see any vibrations in the FPV feed. Well, we'll have to see what the HD, the GoPro footage looks like. Alright, so I'm getting about the same flight time, it looks like, about 3 minutes. I'm going to let it run down to 14.3, 4.2. So the flight time seems about the same.